Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk to you about a really great website called SuperTeacherWorksheets. There is an annual fee of $20, but it is really worth it because it is a resource that you can use across all subjects. As you can see here on the left, there's math, there's reading and writing, phonics, grammar, science, social studies, and all that good stuff. One of the really great things about this website is that it is Common Core aligned. So if you click on a worksheet, it'll show CC right here, and if you click it, it shows you the different standards that are aligned with it. And another good thing about this is that it tells you the grades that the worksheets are appropriate for. So I can go on forever talking about the different things and the different features that this website has to offer, but I'll go into detail about one of my favorites, which is a worksheet generator. I like using this for my spelling homework. I have my own spelling words that I use, and I like using this website to make more word worksheets. For example, I use the ABC generator. I'll show you guys how to use it. So you can choose different levels such as basic and intermediate. You can have them write their name only, their name and date, their name and period, or their name and number. I'll choose name only. My puzzle title could be short U spelling words. And I usually don't put a puzzle creator because they'll know it's me. I like to have the word list randomized, or you can choose to have it as you enter it. So I'll put some short U spelling words. So I have slug, mug, hug, tug, and pug. Then you can choose to save this puzzle. I usually don't, and I just make new ones as I need them. Then you click Create Worksheet. And it creates this really simple but really useful worksheet that you can use, again, as homework for small groups or even for early finishers. I hope you guys enjoy this website and make great use out of it. Thank you.